Hi, we're here at UC Expo 2022. I'm joined by Alon from a very familiar name, Kramer. Welcome, Alon.
Hey, nice to meet you.
So I guess everyone here today is probably talking about unified comms. Where do you see Kramer fitting into that kind of umbrella? And what do you guys offer in that kind of product portfolio?
Perfect question, yeah. So we're very happy to be here at UCX, and all the buzz is about the experience. And at Kramer, we're broadening our vision and looking at the end user experience. We've always been very close to integrators. We have always been focused on the full infrastructure for these solutions we're putting in place in specifically meeting rooms when we're here in the enterprise sector in UCX. Now that we're focusing much more on the end user experience, we're bringing in additional solutions such as, for example, the Quick Launch, which we're showcasing here and highlighting here. Quick Launch is all about providing the end user a super intuitive and super simple solution. Not only is it agnostic and supporting Teams and Zoom, it's a completely PC-based solution and highly configurable. So actually any enterprise customer that wants to put in a solution to support all types of different UC platforms and give it its own touch, that's the solution for him.
So the products are really being designed to make life as easy as possible for the end user, which is ultimately your customer, I guess.
Correct. Yeah. And once we've been focusing today and the last couple of years on specific end user experience, we're also looking at specific industries. Yeah. So we have a definite focus today on enterprise and on education and on government and defense. Those are our three main verticals that we're highly focused on. And looking at Quick Launch, it's perfectly situated for all three, right? So we're also looking at not only these meeting rooms that provide these agnostic solutions and supporting all the different types of Teams and Zoom, as I mentioned earlier. It's also highly secure, leading us to also a lot of AV over IP solutions that we're working on as well. So it's highly secure solutions as well. Quick Launch supports that as well with security and privacy built right into that. And also for education purposes, we're looking at dedicated interfaces for the education sector coming up in 2023.
You mentioned one of the key phrases probably people are going to be talking about most of the show, AV over IP. Where do you guys fit into that, and what kind of new products have you got in the forthcoming months for us in that?
Right, so the first thing I want to say is that AV over IP is a big focus for us. We have currently just released our KDA7, which is a highly secure solution for the AV over IP, supporting low latency, and also completely integrated into a complete Kramer solution. So it's integrated with Kramer control and the whole solution as a full solution that we can provide. So the KDA7 is really one of our top-notch things that we have for AV over IP. It's in stock, which we're really proud of as well. That's a big thing today in this industry. Yeah. So KDA7 is definitely our top contender.
Yeah, well, I was going to end. I was going to ask you about stock. It's obviously a huge question right now. The supply chain problems that everyone seems to be having. How are Kramer dealing with that kind of issues that are coming up? Yeah,
so stock is the next big thing that everyone's talking about.
Do you have any?
We have stock for everything. We're putting in full solutions now. We're our people in operations are working extremely hard, and we're doing everything we can. Stock is available for all these solutions, especially KDA7, which is the AV over IP solution, as I mentioned. Stock is out there, and we have everything ready for you guys.
Fantastic. I'm sure everyone watching this will be delighted to hear that. Yeah, Alon, many thanks for your time.
Sure.
And join us for more videos from UC Expo.
Thanks.